Welcome Game Dev. Today we are going to talk about how to create terrains for a game. This is very simple and I will talk through the settings that you can adjust, different tools that you can use to create beautiful terrain. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Firstly, you need to open your Unity project, then go to your hierarchy, right click 3D object and select terrain. After that, all you can see is a flat colorless plane, but we will spice it up later. Now go to the last section, and here you can change your basic terrain, tree and detail objects, wind settings for grass, and mesh resolution on terrain data. For simplicity, let's check out the mesh resolution on terrain data first. So here you can change your terrain width, length, and height. So for example, I want my terrain to be less in the width, so I change it to 500. And as you can see, it's smaller. And now go to the brush section and select raise or lower terrain for now. And here you can change between different types of brush. For example, you want a circle, star, and many more. You can also change the brush size and opacity. So for example, this brush is too small for me. I can increase the size and it will be very big. And the opacity is just the amount of terrain you want to raise. For example, if we are on a very low terrain, very low opacity, you will get like this. So it will be very slow, and if you have a very high opacity, it will be very fast. And to raise and lower terrain, all you gotta do is left click, and to lower terrain, you just need to shift and left click. So it will lower terrain for you. That is it for this video, and in the next video I will show you guys how to create multiple textures for your terrain and add grass, flowers, and trees to your terrain as well. So bye.